barely got sleep. And keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. 5 bucks green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys. So face it. We'll take that. Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice meets with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. 5 bucks green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we adapt quick. That's that script.
Hey everybody, good evening. We are live. Well, we've been live for a couple minutes here. Just sitting down here at the desk. Good to see you. Looks like I've been missing some chats here. Lady Sika first in the chat. The Psy family. Hey, good evening. Trade for Keeps, Kyle, Angia, Yo Jim Blob. Everybody's here already. Good evening, everybody. Hey, thanks for the likes already. You got some likes already. Looks like I didn't start the fire yet. What the heck's going on here, guys? Never mind the background there. It's actually a real fire. Don't get confused. Just like, come on, get going. Good evening. Sorry, guys. I was just feeding the dogs here before I got the stream going, and now they're all fed and ready to go. So dogs gotta eat for reals. Okay, so did any of you guys get into any trades yet is the question. I took a couple scalps already. Well, I took a decent trade and then a little scalp earlier, so I'm up almost like close to 517 on the day already, a little over $500. So I posted in the chat the trade that I took earlier. It was this guy right here. So I've been watching this key level from a while ago, 29,250. I ended up scaling in 10 contracts here on this push up past 250, expecting at least a rejection before 300 levels. We had a whole bunch of orders. Ended up getting in there and actually got out on this wick. Everything. I had a TP down here just below 29,250, which was my target for the pullback. So I got a huge wick right there and take note. In hindsight, though, guys, geez, did it ever pull back a lot more from there? Could have definitely captured a lot more on that move, but nice little trade there. Now it looks, I've been watching this bullish or bearish fair value gap here. We've been rejecting on it multiple times. So, I mean, looks like we're starting to get bullish here again, but I'm going to have to see a closure here above 29,150. Then we can look for a potential entry on this inverted fair value gap here. See what level is this right here. Kind of something along this lines right there. And it looks like we're going to get that inversion right now. So, hey, thanks, Angia. You're up 300 on MNQ. Very nice. I need a styrofoam mantle mounted animal for the fireplace. That'd be hilarious, Harriet. Right? Got to show the ducks warming up. Yeah, I should. Let's see. Where's the ducks at? All right. Hey, Blackout News Network. How you doing? Feisty little guy MNQ is. Yep, he is. All right. Well, we did invert that. So we did get that inverted fair value gap here. So I'm going to look to get into a long here if we can get into a pullback into this area. In fact, let me just get some orders here. Copy price. Limit. Paste. Buy. See if we can't catch a little bit of a bounce here. If we get a pull back into this inverted fair value gap and try to get some more continuation.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got
Yee. Jose, what's up, buddy? How you doing? First came the chickens, then the ducks. Now full owl invasion. I know, right? You saw that? Yeah, I did a little social media post there. That was pretty awesome, eh? 4 owls in the backyard. Pretty crazy. And looks like we're not going to get that inverted or retested the inverted fair value gap so far. Jeez, what the heck? Check this guy's out. There you go. There's all the people with the extra entries. The Ducks are ready to be the masterful next winners of tonight's duck race. Check that out, hey? Woo! There we go. Good luck to the duck racers tonight, everybody. Be grateful. How many people joined the giveaway? Let's see. Let's check out that form, actually. Where is it? Not that many. I think that there is... Let's see. Is it this one? Summary questions. 48 people. 48 people. I just refilled out the form. Am I in there, boss? You should be. Let's just see. Trade for keeps, right? Let's see. Trade for keeps. Yep, I see you right there. You're on the list. Yeah, we got 48 entries on the Sunday giveaway entry. So, last month we had over 200, Angia. Jeez, guys, look at this thing. We didn't really get the retest I was looking for. I should have been a little more aggressive on this entry. We're already up, 80, 90. Or what is it? 86 to 24, 40 points. If you filled it in after last Sunday, then you're definitely in there. Let's see. Yes, I see your name. Yeah, it's like 25% the amount of entries as we had before, guys. So, all right. Well, I'm going to cancel these orders. We're going to have to look for another entry. I can't chase it now, Chris, if that's what you mean. Get in there. Hey, Dad. Good evening. Dad's in the house. What's up? How was my weekend? My weekend was awesome, actually. I went and played pickleball yesterday for 4 hours straight. And man, by the end of that session, my legs were toasted. Wow. 1 second. Sorry. Ralph's thirsty.
Take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
If you guys, if you're worried about if you're in the draw or not, just head over to the Discord and try to submit your name and everything, and they'll tell you if you've already entered or not. That's the best way. It's pretty hard for me to sift through it to find names, So the best way is to hit the pinned comment in the comment section there. That's a link to the Discord. Head over to the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, and you'll see the form up there. Just click on that. If you can re-enter with the same entry name, then you'll be in it. So looks like we got a couple entries since we started the stream. We got Harriet, Mahitek, and Tris, and VXX Ha entered. So since we started the stream, we're getting a few more people. Everybody's here for the giveaway. I'm gonna have to restart a new list, or not a new list, but I'm gonna have to add the duplicate list, and then copy, create a new chat. Just we're here for a good time, brother. Giveaways extra. Exactly. Yes, that's what I like to hear. You're here for the West Coast Trader. The giveaways are gravy. Hey, look at this. Everybody's throwing out the similar comments there. I like it. Glad you guys are here and enjoying it. So
we trade again. All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient.
all right, so I just uploaded the extra entries to ChatGPT, and then when we get to 75 likes, I will link, I will make a CSV file of the giveaway form, and we'll post it on, I can't talk right now. I'll put it into ChatGPT and we'll come up with a list for the actual duck race here. So we're starting to get a little bit of a pullback here. Again, rejecting off this key level right at the 250 area. So I don't know if you guys in the Discord, I was saying like this is a pretty key level here for me. I would have been trying to take profits around this area. We also have a small bearish fair value gap just below it, and we had quite a reaction there. So now I can't really enter in this inverted fair value gap on the pullback down here. I'm gonna have to wait for us to find support and then maybe turn around here. But keep in mind that 250 level is a bit of a resistance here. It looks like a bunch of orders were on above. And since we kind of turned around close to 250, those orders came off. So we lost some at 275, a few less at 300, and then some were on at 325 that are gone now too. So that doesn't necessarily mean we're not going to go higher, but just something to pay attention to as it goes on in the night here. So Jose's long on MES 74.07. Stop loss 73.48. Nice. That sounds like a nice trade. That's a nice trade. If you want to join the full-size stream there, Blackout News and Jose, just hit that pinned comment there in the chat and come on over to the full-size stream. If you want to just watch Bookmap all alone, that's totally cool also. So here's the month so far, guys. We're doing pretty good. 40, almost 4,900 on the first week of the month. Now we're up about 517, 2 trades. So looking pretty solid so far. General chat. AMSZD. Hey, welcome. MKE Trader 137 Dimensions. Oh, that was previously, but looks like MSZD is a new in the chat there. Welcome.
Mustang trader. Trade like another. Yeah.
All right, we did find a little bit of support here near the 200 level. I mean, volume. We have pretty decent volume here going up, but really the entry was the VWAP here. We did dip below the VWAP nicely. Could have been a pretty solid entry there too. Where's the chart? If you want the form there, guys, if you're in the giveaway channel, just scroll all the way to the top. At the very top is the pinned comment, and that's where the form is. Gary LP3 in the house. What's up, buddy? Good evening. No, you did not miss the race, Red. And you're in the vertical stream. You're welcome to hang out there, but if you want to come join us on the full-size stream, just hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. And come on down. Keith Smith in the house, too. Good evening. Good evening. Did find a little bit of support there, although we did leave a tiny bearish fair value gap. Maybe not. We just erased it. So, So I got these 2 Lucid Flex evals. They're like 470 away from passing. So getting pretty close. Just need a couple more base hits here. Not going to try to rush them at this point. So we do the contract rollover this month on the 3rd week. Gotcha. Nice. Thank you. Hey, Fasil. How you doing? Keith Matthews in the house. Good evening. Thanks. Hit the like and follow. Thank you, everybody. Good morning from India. Puran Poliwal. Good evening. Good morning. Good evening for me. Good morning for you. Check this guys out. I went with my good friend Dimitri for Vietnamese soup today. I had a little bit left over. Check that out. Oh my god. We got pho, beef noodle soup. Oh my god. This spicy chili oil and sriracha. Hey Adam, how you doing? Trader Cat, no, I don't use Trade Day. You saw there's a 50 off special. Wanted to see if anyone has experienced them. No, I have not. But anybody in the chat use Trade Day before? And if so, what do you think about them? Are they listed on prop for match? Now that's the real question. If they are, then that's your answer right there. So let's just bring a prop for match real quick here. Hey Tim. Oh, you got an early morning tomorrow, so you're just gonna say hi? All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in, Tim. Good to see you, buddy. You said trade day, right? There you go, listed on prop for match. So if they're on prop for match, you're good to go. Every day is a good trade day. No, they make sure that they're reputable companies, and if they do any shady stuff, they kick them off there real quick. So you can trust the firms that are on prop for match. So I mean that's my opinion, and from what I've seen, they hold people accountable. If anybody does any shady things, there's been some that have been kicked off there. So prop score is also really good for comparisons. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's another good one. The wife's getting a lung scan in the morning. All right, Tim. Well, good luck with that. Let's everybody take a moment to say a prayer for Tim's wife. Make sure everything's solid. So. Amen. Adam, you won 50K TPT. I saw that. Congratulations. Nice. Nice. Congrats. That poor guy. Where? I missed that? Oh, no. Yes, sir. May everything go smooth. Rooting for the love there for you, Tim. But I'm sure it will. We'll just be positive here. Let's get a different song here. We're going through the songs pretty quick tonight. Let's get this one going. Market Butcher. Mustang Trader. Trade like another. Yeah. Trading game in the house. What's up? Good evening. Geez, this 29,250, man. It's kind of a roadblock. It was a key hard level to break a long time ago. It eventually turned into support. That was the idea behind me taking this short here. I scaled in above the as we were breaking up here, and then the next candle we just ripped straight back down. Got my TP there. So my max good number is either $400 or 1K. If I touch any of these numbers, the next trade is always a loss. Damn, really? That's crazy. Money, that's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long-term, respect the step. Oh, geez. We're popping up here again. So keep an eye on that 250 level here, guys. If we can take the 250 level, I don't see any reason why we're not going to go to 300 at some point. Yes, I'm up about 500, a little over $500 today. I took a short up here on this little push, closed it pretty quickly, and then down here I took a long after we bounced off the VWAP, and scalped a quick $80 in two of my Lucid eval accounts. Raj Tiss in the house, what's up? Hey. I think also important to take a break after a winning trade, because it's very easy to get FOMO, and not only on losing but also winning trade. If I win, I take a break as well. Very smart. Very smart. Very smart, Andrea.
On charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oh, too slippery, slips through hands. Snap gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Chat go wild when the candle's long. Oh, the candle, yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm, cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex, we here long-term, respect the step. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG field and we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Basics only. Trade like an adult. Yeah, yeah. Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah. Yeah, trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG field and we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, MNQ moving mad that.
Adam, that sounds like a psychological thing. I dealt with the same thing for a long time, and it's all stemmed back to how I looked and valued money based on the way I was raised. Odd but true. Oh, interesting. Yeah, that's a good point. At least for me, it's like self-sabotage because of how I looked at it. A person's worth compared to the value of the dollar. That's a definitely interesting take, and it's very, very true, right? Like, if you kind of got to think, one, that you're worth it, obviously, that that whole like sky is the limit idea. There's no reason to think you can't make more money, right? And yeah, and then at the same time, you need to also be like, look, I can make money, so why not, right? Like, what's stopping me from making more money, right? And it's good if you can have a bit of a aha moment in that situation. So that's awesome. Good for you. Good for you. Hey, what's that? Wow, 89 people watching in YouTube right now. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Take a moment to hit that like button. The sooner we get to 75 likes, the sooner we'll get this duck race ready to go here, guys.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah. Yeah, trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG field and we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed.
I'm just gonna pop into X and make sure we are live and stuff. It looks like we are, but there's no viewers over there, which is totally fine. But you know, I just got to get in there, make sure it's live, and go in. Doesn't want to load for some reason. So where are we going to get this entry here? Is this going to be a lower high here? Going to hold on the positive 1 standard deviation of the VWAP here? Chewy, there's a pinned comment there in the chat there. Hit that. That'll take you to the Discord. When you're in the Discord, there's a giveaway channel. Go into the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of that channel. There's a pinned comment, and in that pinned comment is a link to a Google Docs form. So just enter your information there, and you'll be entered into the stream. So once we hit 75 likes, I will start collecting the names of the people from that form, and we'll get the duck race ready. Usually when we hit about 100 likes, that's when we do the actual giveaway. So check it out. Check it out.
Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah.
25K Lucid eval. Yes, Adam, I did reset the form after last Sunday's giveaway. So if you haven't filled out the form since last Sunday, you're gonna have to do it again. Yeah, if you tried it and it says you're already in, you're in. You are in. FN trades, no, I don't necessarily have a, I don't really have a profit target. I do have sort of somewhat of a daily loss limit on certain accounts. Like if I'm in my funded accounts, it's a little bit tighter. Like I'll be risking, 400 to 500 maximum on those accounts. And then if it's my evals, sometimes I'll just let it go to the actual daily loss limit that's built in there, or set it at like maybe up to 1,000, right? So, but I don't really try to cap my profits. But if I get up green in an account and I'm like, have some green in there, I'll often, because I have multiple accounts, I'll just move on to a different account and then try to trade that one. And then if I can get all my accounts slightly green, then I'll think about cycling back through them to take some more trades on those accounts, risking a little bit of the profit. Like if let's just say, for example, easy math, if you're up $100 in the account, I'm only going to try to risk about maybe like 30%. So I might do another trade with like a $30 risk on that trade, and then try not to give it all back, right? Just for easy math. Yeah, for some reason I can't seem to load the live stream on X. It's just like showing a little like circle that keeps spinning and not letting me in. No wonder I don't have any viewers.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. With the market, it don't care who you think.
Technical difficulties on X.
Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Be wet my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales.
Just so you guys know, because you know how in the mornings we stream live with usually Nick streams live ahead of me. So what we're doing is we're trying to get Nick's channel to grow a little bit more. So he's going to be going live on his own channel only in the pre-market. And then when it comes close to market open, we're gonna shut down that original stream and then do the dual stream like we have been. So we're just trying to help him grow his channel some more. So if you guys are on before market open, definitely head over to Mustang Traders, his channel, and hang out with him in the morning. So yes sir. Hey Dad, you finally found the form? Yeah, nice job. Getting good with that whole technology situation, hey Dad?
System gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip. It's the risk your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till.
Welcome, Puran. Just ain't right. What's up? Just ain't right. I see that. Talking to my duck, bro. Lock in. You mean like this? Duck race entries. Okay, X is finally working here. Nice. All right, let's go live here. Why is that duck race? There we go. So we got Rocket Fuel, Wesley, Medi, Angia, Yojin Black, GLaDOS, Brick, Skeletor, Jane Bond, Zumane, Noi, Agent 88, Cecile, Tim Core, Adam Daz, Iris, or Tris, Chris, Lee, Stack Doves, Lam Thao, and can't see the other two names on the bottom, but those are all the people who have extra ducks in the duck race. So these are the guys that you guys have to beat. So thanks for all the extra support there on the stream, everybody. So if you guys don't know, you're in. Yeah, Angia killed it, hey? She's got 3 entries. Wow, eh? So again, if you're in the stream during the week and we do those little giveaways and you end up winning, you're going to get extra duck races. So that's a little incentive to the people who are hanging out throughout the week. So just to say, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Their ducks look cooler than mine. Quack, quack, mother father. Right? Let's see. I'm gonna just double check to see if my dad actually got in on the form now or not. Let's see. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip. Yeah, I see you there. I see you. You got it. You got it. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk. I like the account. All the whole family's YouTube, right? Do I have an extra duck? I won on Friday. I did not see it there due to the banner on the bottom. Thanks. Yeah, I think you do. Let me just double check though. I know that you won one on the. Yep, you do. Your name must have been the one on the bottom there, because you are like Silverback Trades and Gary LP3 were on the very bottom of the form, I think, because you're on the very two on the bottom of the list for the extra ducks. Dad, you're in the vertical stream. So there's a pinned comment in the chat section there. Just hit that link and it'll bring you over to the main stream. Hey, there's Silverback Trades also in the vertical stream. So make sure you guys hop over into the full-size stream, because if you want to see the duck race later, you won't be able to see it on the vertical stream, which is just a book map and a big picture of moi. So we're flagging out here, guys. Is this going to be, is it like this? Is this what I'm seeing right here, guys? Is that kind of our flag pattern here? Now, are we going to get a pull back to here? Or are we going to get all the way down back to this fair value gap? We did find support here on this guy, but we also have an unmitigated fair value gap at 29,000. So let's be careful. I do have a lot of targets below also. So just be careful out there, because we might be looking bearish since we had pretty bearish couple days. Let's scroll out here. So I have a bunch of naked points of control. We've been so bullish over the long term here. So I got 28,142 or 129, sorry. Down here, 27,404, 27,060. These are from way back. So if you guys know, typically the point of control is a pretty like magnetic number level. And, you know, when we've been so bullish, quite often we leave that point of control without tapping into it. So when that happens, what we do is we call that a naked point of control. It doesn't mean that we're instantly going to go back there, but at some point in the future, typically we go back and re-engage those levels. So keep that in mind. Look at all these naked points of control because we've been so bullish. 28, 129, 4027, 404, 27 and 60, 26,002, 25,926, 25, 324, 24, 225, 23, 531. So there's a lot of targets below. First things first, maybe if we start getting bearish, if we get below the previous day low, we can probably target sort of 28,200 or down to 129 possibly even. So again, we can't just blindly hop in here and think we're going to go there. But if we start looking really bearish, you can definitely keep those as a potential target. How do you add them to the chart manually? Yeah, so at the end of the day, like for example here, so right now, this point of control, right, this one right here, 29,842 is from Friday's price action, right? And because we closed way down here, if we don't end up going up all the way here in Asia or in the next New York session, this will become a naked point of control. So when I go to do my levels after this, I go to move this line, and if I notice that we haven't engaged it, I just like add it. And I got a template, so I would just do something like this. I would just draw a new horizontal line, double click on it, and then I got a template here. I just scroll down, naked point of control, and then I would label it like that. And then I would just replace this level with the naked point of control level. Like for example, we have this one up here now because after we came off the all-time highs, we left this level here. And then we opened up the Asia session below it, and we never quite got back up there. So this is a naked point of control above, right? So it's just another target. You know, if we start getting closer to that level, you can use it sort of as a target. Now, if we get above this value area low, you know, point of control is probably a pretty good target, and it also lines up with Thursday's VWAP. Oh, we're pulling back right now. Hey, I just noticed that we're pulling back into this inverted fair value gap here, which we put in there earlier. So let's wait for this candle to close. This might be a potential entry for a long. I just, like I said, I wanted to get it right away on the pullback. So this isn't really what I'm looking for. But what we could do is wait for, you know, a bullish move outside up. Like if this ends up holding and we start looking strong again, maybe we can think about jumping into a long up to that key 250 level again. So NG Gaming in the house. What's up? Quack, 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 quack. Hero Crypto. Naked means not touched. Exactly. Oh, we hit 75 already? Wow. That was quick. Oh, geez, guys. That was so fast. What the heck? You guys are too fast tonight. Maybe we need to make it 100? Hey, Butcher, how much time out of your day would you say trading takes? Does streaming make it much more time consuming? Yeah, for sure. You know, I end up streaming Monday to Friday from like 6:30 a.m. till 8:30 or 9:30 sometimes. So it's 2 or 3 hours every morning. And then 3 nights a week, I'm doing another roughly 3 hours. So, you know, that's 15, about 21 hours a week streaming. And, you know, in the morning, sometimes they end up staying longer if it's a really good day. So I'll end up sticking around. Yeah. Keith Matthews, hold on, I'll create 25 more accounts and like up the stream. Nice. No, I'm going slow tonight. Really? Getting a nice little bounce here out of this inverted fair value gap. Right at the 50% level here, 177, 20-point bounce there. Yeah, definitely it's a good amount of time to learn. And then, you know, on top of that, I end up, you know, outside of that, there's also, you know, organizing the recordings, making short videos and making other videos, setting up the streams, that kind of stuff. So there is a lot more to it than just jumping on the stream, right?
50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
Okay, let me work on this form here. We'll give it another about 8 minutes here or so before we're gonna like make the stream die too early tonight, guys, if we do the duck race right away. Yeah, StreamYard. I'm using StreamYard, CDZen.
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step one, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this bot on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way.
Hey Shanker, welcome.
Don't care, still crabbing a rain. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. I'll pay 50 on a funded account.
80 likes. Okay, let's just do it 100, guys. If we get to 100, we'll get the form ready, and then we'll do it shortly after that. Since we're on such a roll already, this is an early 87 already, so there's only like 13 more likes. We got 117 people in the stream right now, so shouldn't be an issue. Thank you for the support, though, everybody. I really appreciate it. You guys rock.
Unless I forget, and I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? MNQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You missed by one tick.
Yeah, 100 is pretty easy target. I agree.
Hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
Thank you for the support. Whoever, looks like somebody used my discount code for a Lucid account today. Thank you for that. Appreciate you guys. Oh man, should have trusted the inverted fair value gap. Everybody should have trusted it. Any opinion on the market in general after the market dropped so much on Friday, end of the bull run for now? Maybe I can't really say that at this point. You know, like we're not really in sort of like bear territory yet, in my opinion. This is just seems like a big pullback, but it's a pretty natural one, right? Like if you just look at this area, we had a huge consolidation level here, and then we went up for like a week and a bit, and then we just kind of pulled back down, and now we're finding support in this level. So but we could be potentially getting closer to a bear territory. But again, I don't know how far we're going to end up going lower. I mean, it's hard for us to not be in a bull market still. We've been so bullish for such an extended period of time here that, yeah. But this is a bit of a key area that we are at right now, and we are finding some support sort of at this 28,700. What does a daily chart look like here? So we are kind of at the protected low here. So this is a potential turning point. As to how far we would end up pulling back, hard to say, right? Looking at the daily chart, like we've been kind of pretty bullish, right? And we are pretty parabolic here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we keep making new highs here, guys, just because quite often when we get so parabolic, we're just gonna kind of like we got a decent retracement here, and now there's a good chance we're gonna just continue higher, but no guarantee. Maybe we got to head back down and sort of retest this 27,000 level for the full support. As you can see, there's all this consolidation through this area here. We ended up rolling over a bit and then bouncing off of that. That's off the daily chart.
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leverage. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Oh, getting close, yeah, the moves might run.
I think that's why so many people are seeing it. So most likely you're probably putting new all-time highs. Yeah, that's what they're gonna do. And it's kind of interesting. Do you remember how we had that weird candle on TradingView that showed like a big drop, and then a day or two later we ended up actually making close to that drop? So Pretty interesting that happened. Hey guys, there's a little bit of foreshadowing there. We got to be pretty close to the 100 now. Let's see. 96. Okay, I guess I better start working on the form then. Hey guys. The murder candle back to last year's levels. LOL. Yeah, scary. Yeah, that thing, it went down to like 27,000 or something, right? Or no, it was a ES. It was a 77,000 or something, from like 7,900 to 7,000, right? I think it was. Like 7,600 all the way down to 7,000 something. Like, what a crazy candle that was. Glitch, but maybe some foreshadowing there. I don't know. Reasonable retracement when CS back up around 29,500, and then I wouldn't be surprised to see us put in a new low, then back to highs. Yeah, we might sweep these sweep that sort of consolidation low that we had, which is kind of right around the you know, close to where we ended up bouncing from Friday's session. So we got 90. All of a sudden, we have 95 entries, guys. We went from 50 entries to 95. Yeah, goal completed. Thanks, music. Thanks for the heads up. So we started with 50 entries in the form, and now we're at 95, guys. So let me export this guy. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the squad pulling up. Weekend was waves, beer taste, and fill my cup. Ooh, early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts, trying to read this screen. Do we close the gap? Yeah, that's all we say. War news dropping, link to sheets, create. Slow, feeling like I might sleep, but then boom, TP hit while I DC. Okay, now I gotta download this thing as a CSV file and then upload that to ChatGPT and say remove any duplicates in case somebody's trying to be sneaky and put multiple entries in there. Captain GK Trades in the house. I'm good, thank you. How you doing? Space Futures, good week for all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, ChatGPT. Do me right here. Do me right. Last time we had the forum, there was somebody that had like 5 similar emails and similar names that entered on the form 5 times, and ChatGPT found it right away. So went long on mess, yeah. 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah. Come trade like me. Plus So it says 95 form submissions, 94 unique entries. So somebody has 2 entries in there with a similar but not exactly the same email address, but a similar one, and ChatGPT is too smart. So they weed you out. They weed you out. I'm not gonna say who it is, but just know if you did it, I know who you are. But you only get 1 entry on that form. I know who you are.
We live. 50 people watching. 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move.
I've only seen Dave send 1 person to the VIP room. Justine, right? No, I think your name was on there, wasn't it? I literally just copied it, like when I said it there, when we hit the
like a savage mice. Cat hit by with his paw on the trade. Now I'm green like, yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Check going.
Let me see. Did you just do it? I think you just did it, didn't you?
Short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump, yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this, then it go. MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the.
Yeah, I should make a K-pop one, hey? Okay, Justine, right? I'll add your name to the end of the list. Hey, Vanch Mathpal, welcome, buddy. You're in the vertical stream. That's the book map you're looking at right there. Good evening. Trying to break out here, guys, out of this this sort of wedge that we're forming.
50 people watching. 20 likes.
Now I know the format. Yeah.
Hit the button, see?
Philly Trader, you haven't seen your because we haven't put the dust up yet. Test the AI with Barket Mucher entry. Just put the names backwards. Yes, Mr. GK Futures Trader. Hey, brother, how you doing? Isn't there somebody else with a very similar name that was just saying hi earlier? Captain GK Trades. The ducks are out back smoking quack, getting ready to waste. Agent Rogue, yes. If have you filled out the form on the Discord yet? If you hop over there real quick, we can add you in. Let me just. I'll give you like about 2 minutes here. David Hill, how we doing? We're doing pretty good. Green at the moment. How about you? Have you taken any trades tonight? And I'm eating some pho.
in every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop, lost, tight, nah, wait.
Market Butcher Live. Mustang trader in the building. Jack going crazy.
It's a new form, Paul, since Sunday. So after the last Sunday, we reset it. So yeah, doing good with the likes and the viewership ratio. Nice. Thank you, everybody, for hitting that like button. We're just getting the form ready here. We'll be getting the duck race going here shortly. Nice. 1578 on 2 accounts. Very good, sir. Very good. Very good. That's awesome. 121 likes? Wow, you guys are killing it right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you for that support, guys. You guys are awesome. From Surrey to the Philippines. Surrey is like a city in British Columbia here, if you guys didn't know about it. When I was young, we used to go play. I played sort of rep fastball, so you know, like underhand windmill. And whenever we went to tournaments, people would be like, "Oh, you guys are from Surrey. Oh, where's your guns?" They always said Surrey was like such a bad city, such a dangerous city. How do you know Rake? What's Rake? I don't know Rake. Herrera Carlos. Hey, these glasses are called Horus X. I don't know if you can see that, but they're called Horus X. I got them on Amazon. And they are blue blocking sunglasses. So, Greg P, hey, really cool to see another Canadian here. Hello from Grand Prairies, Alberta. How's the separation going, buddy? How's the separation going? Are you losing confidence in our amazing conservative leader of the Alberta? I don't know. She's been flipping on us over there. You know, this Miss Smith. We had the leadership race for the Conservatives in British Columbia, and Carrie Lynn Finley won the leadership race, which I'm pretty happy about. She's a true conservative. So all I know is, you know, I'm not against the NDPs, but I am against their spending in British Columbia. They took us from a $6 billion surplus to a $13 billion deficit. So some things need to change in British Columbia, and like I said, not like I'm against NDP, whatever, but I just feel like we need a change so that we can get this province back in order. She's a little wild, to say the least. I like some things, but not other things about her. But our federal government is deplorable. Oh, 100%. I can't agree more with you. They just spend, and, you know, take advantage of the West. And yeah, that's how I feel. No government is good. But anyways, guys, let's not get all into politics here. We're going to all get people flustered and upset. We're here for a good time. We're here for a good time, you know. Got to run. Long drive in the morning. Good night, fam. All right, Chris. Sorry, brother. Sorry you're going to miss out on the duck race here. We're going to do it here pretty quick. Do you have like a few minutes to hang out? We can do this duck race. I don't know if you're entered in it, but what the duck, man? MKE trader. Let's see here. Whoa, 105 entries now. Okay, it looks like I got to quickly update the list one more time here before we get going. And we're gonna get this duck race going. 106 entries now. So I'm gonna download it right now. So last chance, guys. You got about 10 seconds here to enter. or you're not gonna be able to enter until next Sunday. I'm in there. Got to be up at 4 a.m. All right, Chris. Well, we're gonna do it here. If you just stick around for like a couple more minutes, I would hate for you to win and not be here, just by a couple minutes here. So I just got to download this file and upload it one more time into ChatGPT to get my final list here. Okay, I downloaded it now. So if you guys enter anytime after this, sorry about that, but you're gonna miss it. You have to wait for next Sunday, guys. There we go. We're getting it ready here. ChatGPT will do his business here in about 2 seconds, and we'll get it going. Let's get some other music going real quick. Sunday night Globex open. No politics, just some rootin' tootin' Newton in. Oh yeah, the Newton, rootin' tootin' Newton. You my man, you know the secrets about Surrey. I used to be a doorman at Ozone, and if you know Ozone, you know all about sticky floors, right?
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. Every G flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a killer print in the chat, yo bro. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling.
All right, guys, we got the duck list. The duck list ready to go here. Good luck to the wieners. Make 50K times 50 accounts. Wow, yeah, sticky floors and sticky. What?
What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES floating like a limousine. One guy long the top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. Giveaway stream got the view.
120 entries, guys. So let's set this for 202 minutes and 15 seconds. I'm gonna have to remove my banner here.
Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just base hits.
So quite a list here, full screen. Shuffle characters around here. Good luck to whoever is the winner here. So like I was told you guys before in the past, there's a couple rules. One is you need to be in a country that allows Lucid to trade. So obviously, once we find the winner, you're gonna have to send me a message on Discord. Let me know which country you're in to just make sure that we don't, so that you're able to claim it. Then the other thing is you can only win one duck race per weekend. So if you win it this Sunday, you won't be able to win it next Sunday. So we'll have to remove your name from the next Sunday run list. So keep that in mind. And you have to be live in the stream to win it. So those are really the only rules here, guys. So good luck here. We do have 120 duck entries. And guess what, guys? We got a duck race song to listen to while we do this duck race here. And we're off, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. for a 25K Lucid Flex eval. You know, I don't get a whole lot of accounts, but they all go to you guys because it's all from your support. So thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys being here, making it the funnest evening streams in all of YouTube, in my opinion. But I appreciate you guys being here. We hit super high amount of likes tonight. We currently have about 120 people watching, over 121 likes on the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Look at that. Angie is out in the front here. Gary LP3, Frenzied, GLaDOS. My dad in the bottom here out in the front. Adam Daz, Candle King Trader. This is not a good place to be at the very front here, guys. So keep that in mind. Usually these people are going to hit the stop loss around 18 seconds. Quack, quack, mother fathers. I can agree with that. Thanks, Chris. My name is Nowhere in the Race. Nick's India. There's about 120 people, so there's a good chance you're not on the screen at the moment. Not everybody will be able to see their name. DI, hey, welcome, buddy. Just woke up. Nice. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. Sat 943. Your dads always have lucky ducks. Hey, yeah. Yeah. 111. It's Monday for me. Oh, yeah. You're are you in India? Did you say DI? Or where are you again? We got Daddy D on the top there with the frog duck. Watch out, Adam. Watch out. Sri Lanka. Yes, nice. Very cool. At Trading Game. Wait for the 18 seconds here. At about 18 seconds, some of these people in front. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Stop losses hit. Who's going to win here? Drew's 69. Malibu holding strong here in the front. Uh-oh. We got James Wonder. Matthew Lai. Pushing up. Oh, rejected there. Force fed. You're up in the front here. Tim Core. Tim Core is pushing up. Is it Chris Newt? No way. Chris. Chris. Seriously, bro. I saved your ass. Can you believe that, guys? Chris was going to leave about 2 seconds ago. I said, Chris, you better stay or you're not going to win your duck. And then what happens? He wins the duck. Can you believe it? Oh, congratulations, Chris. There you go, buddy. There you go. It's rigged. Yeah, right, hey, Facile? Destiny. Right? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Can you guys believe it? Okay, Chris, put a message in the Discord there. Let me get a direct message, connect with you here, and I'll send you the discount code. Congratulations, man. Congrats. You know, it almost does seem rigged, though, doesn't it, guys? You know what? Let's do 2 more duck races for extra duck entries here for next Sunday, okay? Since that was such a fast finish there. So yeah, so Chris, just put a comment in the general chat in the lounge there, and then I will contact you, and then we'll hook you up with that form. So let's just set this down to a smaller time frame here, 45 seconds. Set it. We're gonna do 2 more duck races for 2 more extra duck entries in the next Sunday giveaway here. Let's shuffle these guys around. I know this is kind of weird, but if you already have an extra duck in the duck race and you win it tonight, if you don't mind, we'll just run it again. We'll give it to somebody else so that somebody else can also get some extra entries, if you don't mind, guys. Throughout the week, I usually let people get duplicates of their duck races, but since we are pretty packed tonight and we got lots of people tuning in, would like to sort of spread the love a little bit. So appreciate that. Space Futures, I don't know, are you in? Did you fill the form on Discord? No, you're not, but I can add you. Is that you, Chris? Chris Rogue Wanderer? Is that you, Chris? In the did you post in the Discord there? Chris Rogue Wanderer? Yes, sir. Okay, cool. Nice. I see it. I see it. There we go. We started the chat there. Okay, got you there. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to Lucid, right? Queue up like you're gonna purchase a 25K Lucid Flex account, right? Get all the way through to the end of the checkout, and then where it says discount code, you're gonna put the code in that I'm gonna link to you in there, and then that should turn the price to 0. And once you're done that, please just take a quick screenshot to show me that it worked, and then link it in the chat there that we started, and yeah, just so I know it all worked out for you. So let me just go to my Lucid dashboard here and get you the coupon. Lucid Flex 25K eval. Here we go. Don't do it like that, Chris or Kyle. Chris, don't listen to Kyle. So did you got the there you go. There's a discount code. Thank you, sir. Yeah, just quickly try to claim that, and then show me, send me a quick little screenshot just so I know it works. Perfect. Thanks, Chris. All right, guys. While I'm waiting for Chris to do that here, we got the list going again. So let's set this, and we'll do 2 more duck races here. Try to get some people some extra entries into next Sunday's giveaway here. So we're gonna look for 2 winners here. Good luck. 2 winners for next Sunday's giveaway. Have an extra entry, guys. Some stop losses hit. So like I was saying, guys, if you already had an extra duck in the race, I hope you don't mind, but I'm probably just going to give it to somebody else so that they can get some extra ducks also. But throughout the week, oh, Gary, of course, Gary's going to win again. You just got one. Sorry, Gary. We're going to have to run it back here for an extra duck race. Okay, let's start this. Get it going here. Patience and discipline. See you at Globex. Good luck. Hey, no problem, Chris.
Market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
My dad's name is Gary. Can I have it? Nice. Well, hopefully you're gonna win this right here. It's rigged again? Why? What's happening? MKE Trader looks like Rudolph the Red-Nosed. MKE Trader. Awesome. Congrats there, Chris. Thank you for sharing that. I appreciate it. 25K eval. Good luck with that. And hopefully it turns into a funded account. So let me know how it goes. Keep the size small on those 25Ks if you haven't traded it before. Like 1 to 2 micros maximum. Should be able to pass it in, in a week or two. So MKE Trader, are you still here, buddy? Say something in chat, please. MKE Trader. I think you were just here like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, exactly. One to 2 micros, because those accounts can be blown. $1,000 can be blown real fast in those accounts. So just keep that in mind. And you should have no problem. At least you get multiple trades, right? So MKE, where you at, buddy? I think you might have left. We lost a few people out of the chat. And I tried at MKE. I'm not seeing it. MKE 10, 9, 8, 7. MKE, where you at, buddy? NG Gaming's like 0. Okay, guys, unfortunately, MKE seems like he's not here anymore. I'll wait for the time to turn to 9, and then we will run it back. Hey, congrats, Chris. Have a good sleep, buddy. Yeah, he's MKE stepped out to smoke some quack. My dad's name's MKE. Can I have it? Okay, I'm waiting for the time. As soon as the time here turns midnight, we're gonna run it back here. You're his dad, Red? Okay, racing again here, guys. Good luck here. Shuffle. Let's go. Good luck. Redraw.
Another stop loss. Another lesson.
Can't believe B-Flu knows the Rootin' Tootin' Newton Inn. That is an iconic place, man. I never actually went there, but I did know that it was called the Rootin' Tootin' Newton Inn. So that's taking me back to the good old days when I was originally a doorman at the Ozone nightclub. I worked my way in to become a bartender. Meanwhile, all my friends are getting hammered every day. I was serving drinks, living the healthy life. Candle King Trader, congrats if you're here in the chat. Are you here, Candle King Trader? Holler at us in the chat here. Claim your extra duck. Candle King is your mom's name. Can you have it? I don't think Candle's here either, man. You guys gotta stick around. You're his mom? Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, last chance here. Candle King Trader, are you here? Are you here? All right, buddy. Well, sorry, but we're gonna move on. Okay, let's do this. Next one. Let's go. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Shuffle it around, and let's go. Candles in the wind. Blew out the wind. Blowing out in the wind. Good luck, everybody here. See if we can't find a winner. The Boulevard of Broken Trend Lines? Oh, VXXHA! VXXHA, are you here, buddy? I'm not seeing him in the chat either, guys. We're going to be at this all night. We're going to be at this all night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chewy's in the voice channel in the general chat. I put VXXHA in my trunk. Can I have it? Yeah, we got to do this again. It's gonna take a minute. I say the guy that won earlier that already had an entry, if he is still here, gets another one, and then you pick one more. Yeah, I don't mind that. Gary, are you still here, buddy? Gary, are you here? MKE, are you serious, bro? Does anybody want to make a comment there or what? Gary, you're here? Okay, we'll add Gary for one more here. Okay, good luck. Good luck.
Another stop loss.
Was it NKE one earlier, right? Am I mistaken, or am I reading a different name? But you weren't here to get it, bro. One of the extra duck entries. Yeah. See? Look at MKE Trader right there. You won it earlier, but you left and you didn't answer, and then we thought you were gone, so we ran it back. And then somebody else won it. Oh, buddy. Wayne, are you here? I don't know if Wayne's here or not. You're moving, so after the first duck race, had to pack a room up. Oh, damn. Sorry about that, buddy. It's gotta stop doing quack. Looks like we're inverting the inversion right now. Oh, yeah, I see that. Wait for this candle to close. Wayne, are you here? I haven't seen Wayne in the chat yet tonight, guys. Oh, Wayne's here. Wayne is here. Congrats, Wayne. Got you an extra duck race there. Congratulations, buddy. Okay, what do you guys say? Do you guys want one more? One more? Felt like it's gonna take all night. Looking for Google. Congrats on Sunday. What do we do to stream during the day? I caught a couple times, but I'm horrible. One more? Let's do one more, guys. Let's do it. Last one. Good luck. Good luck. What did I kind of was reading somebody's message there. It said, so felt like that was going to take all night. Looking for a group. Congrats. Good luck on Sunday. What time do you stream during the day? I caught it a couple times, but I'm horrible with time. For market open. So I'm there 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually there about 15 minutes before market opens, getting live. So yeah, tune in the morning for the market open. Trade for keeps. Trade for keeps. You gonna do it? Oh, hold it. Hold the line, trade. Hold the line. Hold the line. Yo, Jim Blab. Oh, Join Gust TV. Join Gust. Are you here, buddy? Say what's up. No, I'm Jane Stanley, Duck Race. What time do you stream during the day? Time. I'm horrible at time. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. No, I'm jinxed on the Duck Race. Oh shoot. Let's see. At DROI. I don't see Droid Gust in the chat. Red, you haven't seen your name once? Did you fill out the form on the Discord, Red?
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Yeah, I don't think you filled out the form, Reds. But you know what we'll do is we're gonna race again here. We're gonna remove Droin because he's not here, and then I can add your name here. So you got to make sure you head into the Discord and fill that out, though. I'll just put Reds. Redraw, shuffle characters. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Last one, hopefully, if we can find a winner here. So did we not invert that fair value gap there? Let me see. We did not invert the inverted fair value gap, guys. So that's still in play. Yeah, you got to do it after the Sunday. We redid the form after last Sunday. Hey Jay, what's up, buddy? Check out my dinner. It's pretty much gone, but I had some leftover pho tonight. Silverback Trades. Silverback Trades, are you still here tonight, buddy? Uh-oh, I don't see your name. You were in the vertical stream. Are you in the vertical stream, Silverback? Silver, are you here in the vertical stream? Silverback Trades. Are you in the vertical stream still? You just want a duck race. It says already responded. So you went to the pinned comment in the Discord, and it says it already responded. And it's your name is Red's Everyday Dog Training in that also. Silverback, are you here, buddy?
Broken trend lines. Oil, slippery, gold, heavy, nat gas, explosive if you ain't ready. MNQ, dirty, ES clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson, one more day. Base hits, not glory, 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 glory. Just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines. Every stop lost turned to wisdom over time. The funded count survives another night on the boulevard. A broken trend line.
So I do not see Silverback's not answering, so we'll have to go again here. So don't worry, Reds, I did add you onto this list. So is it all red?
Market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank
Is it all red, or is it just red
somewhere
11881?
the trend line breaks. Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Yes, you are on that. All red. Yes, you are on the list. And then I think Branitz wasn't in there, so let's add Branitz real quick. Okay, good luck, guys. Let's go. Let's try to get this last winner here. It's taking a little bit longer than I was expecting. Bob Singh, there's a pinned comment in the chat there. Hit that. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, go to the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There's a pinned comment in the giveaway channel, and you'll see a little link to a Google Docs form. Click that link, enter the giveaway by filling out the form. Bryn Windward hitting the stops here. Vigo Forsberg out in the front with the smart old duck. Harriet Tickman on the bottom here. Angia pushing up here on the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Profits per tick. Profits per tick. Are you here, brother? Profits per tick. I don't think you're here either, are you? We gotta. You want to hear the duck music again? You remember this show? Yeah, this happened last time, didn't it? Okay, let's do it again here. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have to just scroll through top 3 and whoever is next on the list. Dr. Fraser Crane, right? Yeah, that's totally true. Angie is up in the front here. Stop loss is hit there. What if all three were Angia? Facile? Facile? Or is it Gary Trade Futures? Jerry, are you here, bro? Oh no, Jerry. You gotta be here. I don't see Jerry here. Is Facile still here? Facile? I don't think Facile's here either. NQ. I don't see NQ either. Jesus, man. I know, right? Pactoon? Pactoon's not here either. How about Elite Weapon? No, no Elite. Trades by Shazzy, not here either. Lee? Facile's here? Oh, Facile's here. Nice. There you go. Perfect. All right, we're done. Finally. Facile got it. Congrats, Facile. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let me add Facile Crypto to the list here. Okay, you're in there. You are in there. Congrats, congrats. I want to take a trade. I know, right? You're short in the market? Oh, yeah. We did invert that for value gap, guys. So let's get rid of this. And it looks like the 200 level is a bit of a resistance here. We're still in bullish territory though, guys, so just be careful. Hey Butcher, I'd prefer my duck boneless, please. It ain't winning, then it's gonna be on my dinner plate. Nice, yeah. I just checked on my duck and it's more succulent than I thought. Mmm. 7th place one? Yeah, nice, thanks. Facile, are you short right now? Congrats, Facile. Okay, Bob, you'll be in for next Sunday's giveaway, so make sure you're here for next Sunday. And if you're here throughout the week, Tuesday and Thursday evenings, we do some more duck races to get you guys extra entries. So, sort of to say thank you for hanging out in the stream. You put in more time on the stream, you get more entries. Ask Angia, she knows all about that. She's got like 3 ducks per race. What a Friday! Oh, you had a good Friday, Randall? I know. And you just hear all the time, she deserves one. No allure, 200 got stopped out on all my shorts. Oh yeah, shoot. Lost 200. Gotcha. Sorry to hear that, brother. See, this is what I'm talking about here, guys. Gotta be careful. Although this could be a bounce before we continue lower here. So I don't know what you guys, if you saw what I did there. So I had this trend line in up here. Since you already sort of get this line, right? Because it's pretty smooth, you can see there's lots of touches, lines up really nicely. If you right click on that and you can clone it. When you clone it, you can drag it down here. And the reason I put it here is because we have these indecision candles here that were kind of like, this could be slightly off, you know, it could be sort of like right there. But I just went to the top of that wick and it happened to line up perfectly with these sort of like these doji candles there. So that's why I put it there. And then look, I don't know if this is going to be exactly correct, but it seems like we bounced right off the bottom of that channel. So no big deal. Yeah, for sure, Randall. That's the way to think about it for sure. Yeah, the 18-second stop loss is clockwork. I know, we've done so many races now. I just know that at 18 seconds, whoever's in the front, it's like, stop loss hit. I even actually put it in the duck race song. Like it says it literally, stop loss is hit, 18 seconds. Guess what song it is here? Yeah, lots of people blew their accounts on Friday for sure.
Gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat this side. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time.
Let's see if this level is going to hold here. 29,150 area. The nasty room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim Blab like ES session high. The latest screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid Trading. Loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Getting a bit of a bounce here off the bottom of the channel. See if we're going to get much of a move or not.
Trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Then MNQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.R. stream joke going crazy. Don't forget
no momentum.
Mother's maiden name. Whole chat broke.
Yeah, at the moment we're kind of if you're going to take a trade here, this would be a inside sort of the channel trade. Well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy ATH tomorrow blast. MNQ is dirty, 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 dirty. Okay, Dad, have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. Love you. Boner candle, let's go. Bias down to lower levels. That's what you're thinking. Yeah, we might end up breaking down here. We might end up breaking down. I feel like we're gonna pop though a bit here.
Sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows. Market, but your gang just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, neck gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader. Market, but your crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember,
NQ is dirty, dirty. I did get into a long here. Let's see if we can make this thing work out here. Just bought it at the bottom of the channel there.
it might be a Boner Campbell.
I'm gonna start taking some off here if I can. I'm liking this bounce so far. Not trying to break the bank. This is a funded account here, so see if we can't get these contracts off here on this little push.
Charts up. Coffee hot.
Come on, boys, let's go.
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic.
And take one more off right there.
Gold heavy. That gas explosive. Let's work.
So I only have 2 contracts left here. Gonna put my stop in here. If we get stopped, I might get stopped out on a pullback here, but if it doesn't want to keep going up here, I don't really want to be in it much longer. Hopefully we can get it up to the channel midpoint there. What I locked in about 60 bucks there. Come on, guys, let's pop it a bit more here. Pop it. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna stop me. There we go. So I made $70 on that trade. Entered there, added to it there, added to it there, added to it there. Took 2 off there, and then break even on the other 2. Maybe could have left it. I just didn't want to turn this into a red trade once it's green. So it's all good. It's all good. You wouldn't scalp these moves long. 29.072, but across to the 9 EMA on the 5-minute might give you a push. Yeah, I literally took that trade because we were finding support on what I thought was the channel that we're in. And again, I wouldn't be in this one for too long because this could just be a short little bounce before we end up rolling and heading all the way back down to the VWAP there. But I'm just been practicing trying to add into the winners there. I should have taken maybe one more contract off at the highs there, but yeah. That was a decent trade. Little scalpy scalp. Quick 70 bucks in the funded account.
Well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
NQ. I was kind of looking for us to trade down to 29,096 and maybe start the move higher. Yeah, I mean, again, like I was saying, this could be, it could be a short-term bounce. Quite often we're going to bounce off key levels. And I was kind of looking at this consolidation here as being a potential, sort of like a support level, right? You can see we had this doji right there, and then it was sort of like we came down, sort of like ended this candle here, sort of popped up, get a resistance there, some resistance. We kind of end up popping above. We had an indecision candle right above it, and then it became resistance again. So I was kind of thinking that this could be a support level temporarily, maybe for longer. We'll see. And that's really the basis I took the trade. It was holding the channel, And then looking back to the left, it could have been a nice little support level there. So, hey, there's daily candle trades. What's up, buddy? 29,200 is our fulcrum. Yeah, if we can get above that, you know, I can definitely see us going up to the 29,250 area.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember,
so I'm up 586 on the day now. 586. Yeah, 586 on the day.
if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
Bum bum. Durka 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 durka. This is a little Nick tribute song. So like I said, guys, Nick's going to be going live pre-market on his channel only tomorrow morning. So hang out with him in the morning before market opens, and then, you know, then either hang out with him after that, because we're going to also have his channel running. We're going to have to end that stream, though, I think, to get my stream going if we're going to be streaming together. So that's kind of the only thing, is he will have to sort of shut down that shut down his stream, and then we're going to restart the streams so that we can have us both going. So, and there you go, guys. This is what I was talking about. That could be just a bounce before we end up heading back down. Now keep an eye on this level here. If we end up holding this 150 level again, maybe it's going to be support again. We'll have to see.
When the moon lean low and bright, keep your neck tucked up tonight. He's a Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your
29,096. Yeah, I mean, that's a VWAP. I like the VWAP. I'm just going to grab a quick drink, guys. I'll be right back. Excuse me for a moment. Trying to break down through that channel there now, guys. This might actually be like here. Could possibly. That's the only thing about these channels, guys. It's their discretionary, right? So yeah, VWAP will probably be a good support. I think I'm gonna stick with that though. Let's stick with that one. I did like that one, and the first trade did work. You know, and these channels, like I said, as you can see, we do wick through them, right? So we could just wick through it and then end up going bouncing again. But we have been making lower highs, so maybe we are turning bearish here. Good scalp on the short for me, 300 green. Nice. I love how, you know, people can have different strategies different directions. Like I just made a trade long and I made money, and then now Facile just took a scalp short and made money. So in a matter of a few minutes. So it's awesome how, you know, you can make money in either direction. Quite often in the New York sessions with Nick, we also are taking opposite directions and both making money. So it's interesting. You're short from 29 to 17, watching the 30-minute. Okay. 217. Iran may be an issue today. Could be. You never know. Did we get any news recently? Let me just take a quick look at financial juice. The last news was 10:43, June 7th. Yeah. So a few hours ago. And I guess that's kind of around that time, was it? No, that was 5. This just says volatility in here. You okay, Ralph? Ralph wants to say hi to the stream, guys. Rockets were fired, yeah. Ralph's in the house. Say what's up, everybody. What's up, guys? Hey. Hey. Did you pee?
Vampire, he'll get you by your campfire. He's the Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your campfire. Nigga, the shopper's check. Nigga, the shopper's check. Don't let Nick pick up the check. You're gonna say, what the heck? He's the Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your campfire. He's the Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your campfire. Nigga, the shopper's check. Nigga, the shopper's check. When the moon lean low and bright, keep your neck tucked up tonight. He's a Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your campfire. He's a Costa Rican vampire. He'll get you by your campfire. Nigga, the shopper's check. Nigga, the shopper's check. Fire.
So I had to take Ralph to the bathroom. Ralph's like 30 pounds. He's a fairly heavy French bulldog. Do you think the market will sit like this until London session? It looks like a repeat of Thursday night. Hard to say. Let's see what happens when we get to the VWAP. We might get another bounce here. If we're gonna, I mean, we are kind of bull flagging, right? Since we opened here, we've kind of like flagged once, broke out, and now we have a bigger flag happening. So maybe London's gonna be a big rip to the upside. We do have the point of control and everything above. If we're gonna keep going higher, like into London or into London into New York, first thing I'd want to see is get us above 29,400. Let's take a look at the book map and see if we can see any orders up there at the 400 or higher. That might give us a little bit of an indication. We do have orders up at 300 and 400. So yeah, there's a decent chance we're gonna end up going higher, guys. You know, not a guarantee, obviously, but I'm seeing orders above. Football, we already did the giveaway earlier. Sorry, brother, you missed it. If you haven't entered the form, you can. Oh, look at that! Right to the VWAP there, guys. We're on the VWAP now. Let's keep an eye on this level here. Are we going to hold this level? We might end up going back down to the 29,043 area to get support at the bullish fair value gap, though. But this could potentially be an entry. I'm not going to just blindly enter just yet here. VWAP, right? Yeah. Football, hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. Head over to the Discord. Get into the giveaway channel on the Discord and fill out that form. You'll be entered in for the Sunday giveaway, but you do have to be live on the stream when we do the giveaway, so keep that in mind. But you're definitely welcome to enter. But yeah, we did give it away earlier, so we are bouncing here a little bit. We closed just below the VWAP. I don't know. I'm not that convinced, guys. I'm not that convinced. It's not that convincing. Although that is a good place to close. Is if we would have closed like down at the 90s or down at the 85s, that would be a little more worrisome that we're going to push lower. So let's see what happens here. Getting a decent bounce here. Kind of want to see us get a. It would be nice if we just made some small candles first in this area, like holding above the VWAP with some small candles, or even if we're slightly below with some small candles. So VWAP too obvious, they will fade it. I am sure they'll push back up. 29,072 you're looking at. Yeah, we have those lows there. Nice rip off the VWAP there. Damn, 18, 20 points right there. Well, that's not what I was hoping for. They might just go retest the bottom of the channel here and then head back down. I'm not loving the price action in this zone though, because if it's anything like what we had here, that wasn't not very fun price action to be trading. Unless that's the channel, guys. That could be the channel. Shorted 7 minis. Exited with 6,500. Just need 1K to get to the halfway to the 300K eval. Nice, Rangad boy. Good for you, brother. Wow, that's a heavy trade, man. That's a heavy trade. It hit the same level from 25 minutes ago. Yeah, kind of, right? Like sort of this area. Bounced off of it nicely. Still short 5 from 177 to retest of the previous hourly low. Target could be 68.50. Yeah, it might be just a little bounce here we're getting before they continue to roll it over. We do have a bearish fair value gap right at the 140s. Now, if this candle just rips up and inverts, this guy will be definitely sort of like leaning bullish again, guys. But like I was saying, I don't really want to be in these trades if we're just gonna just barcode up and down over and over like we were doing here, right? This is pretty hard stuff to trade. Oh, that's a nice trade. Yeah, trade for keeps. If you're, yeah, of course. I mean, I'm assuming you would protect your trade anyways, but hopefully it doesn't go all the way back up there. I don't trade on trade day, Jay, but I did hear that they have like a 50% off. I did look on Prop Firm Match, and they have them listed there. So I think that they're a reputable company, as far as I know. I trust Prop Firm Match. I know some people that are involved in that, and overall, they're pretty strict on who they allow to be on their platform. So if they're doing any shady stuff, they're not going to be on Prop Firm Match, right? So yeah, it might push down to 29,000. Yeah. So we have this other unmitigated bearish fair value gap down here. So first line in the sand is going to be 25,050 level, and then below that 29,000 flat. So trade day is fire, daily payout, no buffer acquired. Really? Might have to try them. M Brown, hey, what's going on with you, buddy? What's going on with you? Don't do it. Ralph's trying to lick his feet. I got to go to the vet tomorrow at some point. I need to get some new antiseptic wipes for him. Let's switch up this music here. What do we got? What do we got? Moon Boy, what's shaking? How you doing? Moon Boy, you're in the vertical stream. There's a pinned comment there in the comment section. If you want to come across and join the rest of the people in the full size stream, you're welcome to. Some electro. I did have another song. Oh yeah. Do you guys want to hear the I don't know if you're gonna like it, because it's kind of, it's not meant to be. It's a little bit of a weird song. Let me see, where did it go? So I got a Dave Chappelle style song that I had sort of pre-made. So let's get this one made here. We'll get it, play it on the stream. So create, advanced. Hey, there's Moon Boy. And we do have 4 people in the vertical stream. Welcome, everybody. If you guys want to come over to the full-size stream, hit the pinned comment there in the comment section and join us over. We have about 71 people watching right now over here in the full-size stream. Gonna quickly build a new song here. Where's the paste button? What is going on here? There we go. Paste that guy. Then I got to get the prompt. Create. Okay. So I did get a recommendation from somebody. It was like they wanted like a Weird Al Yankovic style song, but I don't know if you guys think it's bad, but it's a Weird Al Yankovic type song, and it's called Amish Trader. So I don't know if you guys if you guys think it's racist, but it wasn't meant to be that way. But the way it came out, it's kind of a comedy polka style song, tuba, goofy backing vocals, ridiculous trading humor. So I'm gonna play that, and it's not meant to be racist or anything. It's literally what ChatGPT spit out, so don't hold me to account. But here goes, guys.
Howdy there, everybody! My name's Dave, and today I accidentally bought the top again. I woke up at the Globex Open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels. Market Butcher said, don't chase! 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader, a professional account derailer. I see a breakout candle, then I panic, buy a trailer. I'm an Amish trader. My risk management is failure. I move my stop 6 times, then blame Jerome Powell later.
Let's blame Jerome Powell, guys.
Says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angia posts the whole schedule while I'm entering too late. Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says wait for VWAP. I say nah, this thing's mooning, then immediately get trapped. Tell you where you
Then immediately get trapped.
where you're low. Everybody knows where price should go, except me. Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands.
Sat, if we break below the VWAP, I'll be looking to take a short down to the 40s here.
Average down while the whole chat's watching it. I'm an Amish
Fade in the VWAP.
a stop loss violator. I turn a tiny paper
Brr.
cut into a full excavator. I'm an Amish trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with insider information. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regret.
Okay, I did make that new song too, so I'm gonna upload those real quick.
Straight to heaven, then it dumps like every single time.
The Dave Chappelle style songs.
Duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator.
A funded account evaporator?
In a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader, a charter.
Nice job, Rangap. Killer. So you pass that account, or is that, oh, that's a halfway to your profit target. Killer trade, bro. Nice.
Trade like adults, unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night. Yeah,
Okay, this is the new Dave Chappelle song, so
about traders and bad decisions. Actually,
nice add-in trade for keep.
it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says 8H tomorrow. Other guy says massive crashing coming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
Just one more trade.
Before they blow the day. Just one more trade.
If we start pushing back above VWAP, this is a new hourly open all coastal. Yo,
Last words. I love traders.
you'll close the position, is what you think you were saying?
6 months building a strategy, back testing.
Yeah, we have 1 minute till the new hourly candle, so
Videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle.
10 seconds here till the next candle.
A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade.
well, looks like we're getting a bit of a bounce here at the moment.
Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words.
Nobody in X still, guys. Can't get any coverage on X there.
Nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that? Everybody knows NQ dirty. Nobody stops trading it. It's like dating a crazy ex.
Look at that bounce, eh?
What's gonna happen? You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels, beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here, brother. Why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen.
Wet in the short, got along 101, looking for a push to 176 and a done for the night.
Nat gas explosive, and your account emotional. Then the duck race starts, and suddenly
Watching 160 area.
the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling.
So you close that original short,
At a plastic
or
duck. And honestly,
oh, you closed the short and we got long at 101.
thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, yo Jim Blab, miss the whole gang. See you tomorrow, and remember, if you say just one more trade,
Just one more trade.
probably shouldn't beat fades out. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I
I was sitting there watching MNQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett.
Flatten the short. Talk to text. Flatten the short. Got long 101. Looking for a push to 160 or for half, or half to 176.50 and then done for the night. Just looking to see if we can backfill the previously hour candle. Just a little scalpy scalp. Nice.
Fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage.
And host. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm flat. You're in the vertical stream right now, so you're looking at the book map. The vertical stream is just to kind of like catch the attention of the people who are flipping through shorts, and then they end up catching the live video. So if you want to join the full size stream where we have the chart and the book map and all the people in the chat, there's a pinned comment in the comment section there. Just hit that, it'll bring you across to the full size stream where everybody else is. So you're in the hook page. I mean, you're welcome to stay there, but if you want to join the rest of us and you want to see more coverage, you know, the chart and with all the chat, hit that pin comment, come on across. So this is kind of why I didn't really want to trade this area, guys. Obviously trade for keeps. Obviously took some nice trades there, but short from up here higher, ended up closing it down at the view up and took the long on the bounce there. So you can trade this area. I'm just not that interested. We're pretty choppy. So had I tried to take a short below the view up, that wouldn't have turned out well. So no, and host, there's a pinned comment there in the chat, like as you can see right below your message. Just click that little link and it'll bring you over to the full size stream. In the full size stream, we have Trading View and the book map, and then this is also where everybody else is. Like, you know, I have like 75 people watching over here. There's only 3 people in the vertical stream. You know, I really should change the banner for that. So I'm gonna make a new banner here. So
let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching MNQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says ATH tomorrow. Other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, MNQ just sitting there. Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade.
Rick even didn't love the rejection there, but we'll see.
I love traders.
Yeah, we tapped into that bearish fair value gap there at 140. You know, I'm basically, I think I'm at like 100% win rate today. I don't know that I really want to trade anymore tonight. I'm pretty happy to start the week off with almost $600 in winners and 3 trades.
The French bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
Yeah, 4 trades, 100% win rate. So I don't know if I'm willing to risk anymore tonight. It's already 10 my time, 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So pretty solid week. Last week, Monday, 1,160. Tuesday, 1,810. Wednesday, 609. Thursday, 979. Friday, 341. Almost took a pretty big loss on Friday. Friday was a hard trading session, and then now another 586. So a little over 5.5K so far on the week or on the month. So I'm pretty happy. Got 200% win rate days. That's always nice. Yeah, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber also, and host. Definitely. 2-bar reverse 5 minutes, right? Found some heavy resistance right at the middle of the channel and also in that bearish fair value gap. Pulling back right to the VWAP, we are finding a little bit of support. The buyers and sellers are kind of battling in this zone here. So it's not, to me, it's just not the best area to be getting into a trade. It's kind of like in the middle. It's a bit of a flip of the coin, right? If we're going to go back to the highs or if we're going to continue back down to the lows here. So, oh, thanks, Ann. Appreciate that. Where are you from? Are you from the United States of America, the great country of United States of America? I'm in Canada. I'm in Vancouver, British Columbia, about 1 hour drive outside of Vancouver in a little itty bitty town called Mission.
I was sitting there watching MNQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be.
Midwest USA, nice.
You can't stop looking.
So some of our cousins to the south.
Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
Other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades.
One tick from stopping me out on that jolt down. I still didn't get. I'm going to give it down to 95 again.
A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing.
I will scalp long at 29,072 even number. Gotcha. 72 is kind of at those lows, right?
That's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick.
It was kind of some resistance here earlier, and then became support after. So talk to text is killing me tonight. One tick from stopping me out. Still think it could hold. Gonna give it down to 95. Risk a little profits. Nice. Okay. You just don't want to get stopped out in case it decides to pop on you here, right? Sebastian Tracy, what's up, brother? I saw you comment earlier too, I think. I don't know if I read it though. We're down to 65 viewers, guys. Thank you for hanging out though, whoever did. I think they're all getting bored of the market at the moment too. So just like me, it's kind of like, what are we gonna do with this, guys? What are we gonna do here?
Levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly, and some guy.
I think we need to sweep the low. Another 49 minutes to go. 49 minutes until Asia opens, right? Or is that Germany open, I guess? German markets open. David Hill, not great at the moment. You keep getting distracted working on something. What are you working on, Chris? You'll post it in the Discord. You built it over the last weekend. Nice. All right. So it looks like you may have got stopped out there. Hey, trade for keeps. Minute 52 here. Yeah, I don't like that rejection there at 29,138. Let's go. W shorts need a rebalance. Yeah, we could be heading to this this bullish fair value gap below here. Okay, we did close below there. Let's see if we can't get a retest on the view app here. Oh, in the charts room? Oh, you made like an indicator? That thing looks pretty cool, man. If 72 fails, then she'll blow 235. Kind of want to get a little bounce here if we can, up to 87 area, and then kind of stall out. That would be a good place for an entry. I would take one short here, risking about $60. I am up 80 bucks in those. I don't know if I want to take any more trades, guys. I just kind of want to lock in the W's. Yeah, it's on Thinkorswim. I already had the market structure study. I just built off of that. Nice. Yeah, it looks pretty interesting here. It marks off the highs and the lows, and then you're looking for entries on those highs and lows, or targets, entries and targets. Seems like it's worked multiple times. Is there an account that I haven't traded yet? Let me see here. I haven't traded any of these Lucid funded accounts. Do I really want to take a trade on those guys? That one's, and I got no trades in my take profit trader accounts. I was thinking about copy trading, but I should probably just pick one account and take a trade on that account if I'm going to. Let's go with this guy here. Lucid Direct, Lucid funded account. At this point, would not be surprised to see us push down to 820 and take out the previous 4-hour. If 95s hold, we'll head back up. CVD is climbing here a bit. We had a lower low followed by a higher high and then another lower low. Dave, you're up 3K on your TPT Pro. Should I lock it out here and request a payout? Hell yeah. Or lock it out and then just, you know, take a couple more base hits and just kind of add up a little more buffer. But make sure you just leave, you know, a decent amount of payout in there for sure. No reason to not take the money when you can, you know what I mean? But if you're, yeah, depends on what your plan is with the account, right? You have 5K buffer on top of it. Oh, then of course you should. Then of course you should. That was a lower high. Yeah, I know that's not, I agree, Ryan. That's why I went with just one account here, so. Sounds like a killer payout there, buddy. Good for you. funny thing is I traded Tory tan lines. Nice. So do you stream overnight New York Open? Yes. I stream from 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a couple hours, and then Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 2 to 3 hours in the morning. Look at the footprint on Delta. Below 75, we head lower. Yeah. Yeah, I'm usually pretty tired in the mornings, unfortunately. FN trades. I've only been getting like 5-6 hours sleep lately, so. I'm doing these evening sessions mostly just to grow the channel and hang out with you guys. I have fun trading with you guys at night, so good times, good times. I mostly trade the VWAP, and I use value area levels, plus I also add deviation bands to the VWAP, and then typically my entries and stops are either off of the VWAP or fair value gaps. So it's a blend of that. I do have a YouTube video that I could link to you from my channel, and that gives you basically a rundown of my strategy and how I find my levels and everything. Let me just go to the video here, this one, and I will copy the link and I'll post it in the chat for you if you want to check it out. Okay, Trade for Keep. You have a good night. You're welcome. So I am in the short here, guys. Let's see if we can't capitalize on this guy here. Let's see. Come on, take this guy out. I'm going to take this one off right there. We can push it down a little bit more. I might just take it off here too. And then we'll leave a break even on the last guy here. There we go. Pop that in. So put a one here, buy one stop, lock it in at the 90s, and then we'll leave our one contract down here. See if we can't get a push down to these lows. In fact, I will lock in a little bit more. Let's get it down to the 80s area. You're trading NAS CFD. You're up 100 on a $15 account. Nice job. Hey, that's killer. That's a killer return there, YSC. Nice. No judgment, bro. That's how it all starts, right? You turn that 15 into 100, and then 100 into 150, and yeah. So let's go to the top of this candle. I don't want to get stopped though yet. Come on, let's go. Don't flip us here, boys. Don't flip it. Oh, I should have left it at the 80s. You never know. Might get lucky. Might get lucky here. No judgment here, bro. No judgment. You got to start somewhere, right? Looks like they're going to flip it here, though, on me. Yep. Oh, right there. All right, we're out. $72 in that funded account. You know me. Base hits. Little base hits. No, I'm going to be the last one to call you out for small wins there, YSC. I do them all the time. I like to keep the risk small and the profits hopefully bigger than the risk. But yeah, you know. That trade was probably about 5 or 8 minutes long. I think that last trade. 5 minutes or so. Let me open it up here on the dashboard. So did that not update yet? Lots of trades are definitely under a minute though. Lots of really quick trades for sure. So that trade was, how long did that last? I think that was about a 5-minute trade. For some reason it seems like it did not add my last trade. It's just 4 trades. Yeah, I don't think for some reason it's not uploading this trade. I'm gonna have to try again here. No executions were found. Well, that's not right. Oh, there goes the push lower there. Do you think we could be under Globex open by the time New York opens? You know, I'm not big into predicting too far into the future, but if this current trend, like technically we're in a bit of a bull flag, right? So this could potentially break out to the top side. So I would say, you know, at the moment, I'm still leaning slightly bullish, right? But that being said, you know, if we end up holding below the VWAP and, you know, if we invert sort of some of these fair value gaps, then yeah, there's a pretty good chance we're going to head lower. But at the moment, I'm still leaning a little bit bullish, but we'll have to see, right? Because this to me looks like a bull flag, right? Where we popped up and now we're just like in this consolidation. And then when Asia opens, or sorry, not Asia, London opens, you know, there's a good chance we're going to break out to the top side. But then again, you know, at the same time, if we end up breaking out of this channel and going down, like obviously I'm going to be wrong. So I usually don't really try to predict that far ahead. I like to just watch price and react from there. So yeah. So at the moment, I'm still slightly on the bull side, but yeah, I would have to be here later in the night to know. So below 62, we're heading way down, Ryan. Yeah, we might. We do have these fair value gaps below though, so keep that in mind. We have this one here at 29,000, which is unmitigated. So there's a good chance we're gonna, you know, find some support in this area at the 29,000 level. But so far we're kind of not really getting out of the channel, right? So hard to say at this moment. We wanted 23. So I don't understand. So 72.50 there. 81 in those two accounts, or was it just one? Yeah, 81 in those two accounts. 355 in that account. So 355, 455, 510 plus plus 72, 580, and then the top one futures 580. So it should be 650 in my account or in the dashboard, but the dashboard isn't updating properly. It only shows 586 with 4 trades. So I don't know what is going on there. Why it's not. Oh, we are breaking down here. We're gonna test this bullish fair value gap. So $967, $856. Yeah, for whatever reason, it's not importing one of my trades there, so that's no big deal. I'll have to figure it out later. When I try to upload it tomorrow, maybe it'll work. I expect a sweep below 29,000. Yeah, we might sweep 29,000 and then pop. That's definitely a possibility. We did break out of this channel before and find support at the VWAP and then bounce. So now that we're trading below the VWAP though, definitely bears have taken control, and you can see there's a bunch of orders below. Orders at 29,000, 29,020. Bunch of orders sitting there. $9:30 a.m. will be interesting to watch. Yeah. Are you going to be up still, Ryan? Okay, guys, it is 10:37 though. I should probably wrap it up here. I do need to get to sleep so I can be up tomorrow morning and not be dead to the world for the morning stream. So I do have to also set up the stream for tomorrow. So thanks everybody for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Let's take a quick look at how we did on the channel here. Did we gain some? We're up over 1,450 subscribers. Yeah, so thank you everybody. We got some more subscribers tonight. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for the support. Really big W's. Oh, look at that, right down to the 25K right now. It's about to do it. We're going to sweep that 29,000s right now. We did sweep the 29,000 there for a second. I just took a little scalp off the 29,000 there, locked in $33. Woo! Quick little $33 scalp. Entered one, added one on the bounce, and then just closed it in profit. I'm not looking to take a whole bunch of money out. It's pretty risky here. We are so heavy right now, but I did feel like we're going to take a little bounce off of those lows there. Might continue going higher here. Just don't want to ruin my 100% win rate on the day. I'm so sneaky about that. Try to sync these guys again one more time. See if I can't get this. It says no new executions found. What the heck? For some reason, that one account doesn't want to upload my trades. I don't know why. Lucid funded 0002. 0002 funded 0002. Update sync. You are syncing of trades out of the following accounts. When reconnecting all of these accounts, please select the associated accounts. Once you reconnect, we will transfer from the start date. Yeah, it doesn't want to show it for some reason. I don't get it. Whatever. It'll probably catch it up later. Here we go. Yeah, we're starting to push down below the down to 91.90, 90.91. Melting NQ. Definitely feeling more bearish here, guys. Right? Definitely feeling more bearish. But yeah, so let's wrap it up here. Locking it up. That 50 will be swept. 950. Kind of to the low of this consolidation here. But yeah, thanks everybody. Gonna do my shout out here for the top fans as usual. Angie at Trade for Keeps, Sebastian, Chris M Brown, NG Gaming, Reds, Everyday Dog Training, Facil Crypto, Chris Noof, Wayne, Gary LP3, Jay, Trading Game, FN Trades, Kyle Shies, I think it's Shies, CD Zen, Adam Daz, DI, Drew 69 Malibu, David Hill, my dad, Keith Matthew, Be Grateful, Philly Trader, Music, Randall Paul, Keith Smith, Yojin Blah, Bob Singh, Harriet Tickman, Trader Cat, MKE Trader, and host Paul versus the World, Exceeder, Captain GK Trades, Rand Gapwa, Enrique Barra, Wrong Trade Gym, Space Futures FX, Apple 1991, Apple 1991, Sean MC, Chewy, Force Fed, Economic Pulse, Raylan, The Trader's Nest, Tim Core, Agent Rogue, and YSC Montarius. Good to see y'all, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. It was a fun stream. 130 likes on the stream. Wow, guys. Pretty much one of the all-time highs, the most amount of likes I've had on a stream, 131. So thank you for that. I appreciate you guys so much. It was a fun one. Congratulations to Chris, who won that giveaway earlier. Lamthau, late to the stream. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Love you all. Have a great night. See you tomorrow morning, market open. If you do want to hang out early, remember Nick will be live on his channel in the morning, and then I'll be live about 10-15 minutes before market opens anyways. So see you guys then, and have a great evening. Thanks again for all the support, and looking forward to seeing you again during the week and or Tuesday evening for the evening stream. See you later, Ryans, and whoever else was in the vertical stream over there. We got 2 viewers on the vertical stream. We had Ann was over there earlier, B Flu, Vanch, Silverback Trades, Keith Smith, Jose, Blackout News Network. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening and sleep well. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the Butcher Gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you're ready to ride. Top gun futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We survive in every session cause we trade it right. And your GBU holding number one. 4 feds EL1 always loading the gun. Your Jim Blab in the chat having fun. CBC and stacking
Business Lens, if you haven't filled out the form again from after last Sunday, then yeah, head over to the Discord and fill that out so you can be entered into next weekend or next Sunday's giveaway.
Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. was all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Brody acted 34 in attack mode. Then Brown 81.6 ticks carrying heavy loads. XIK is move while the market explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Erkin never next calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you next time.